So was it haze?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, looked like it.
Yeah, I'm afraid it was.
That heat this time of night.
It's just not cooling off, which sets us up for the very warm day we have tomorrow. Because, look, there's just some high clouds that are working their way across the area. Clouds that aren't bringing much precipitation. I had a couple of isolated showers earlier in the evening. They've all gone. There's Brett. He's about to go as well. He's now past Savannah, continuing the center of circulation right in here, and very quickly Brett will be gone. Here's the infrared picture. All the deep convections down to the south. The center of circulation is now totally exposed. And here, this collection of convection, that's Tropical Storm Cindy, which is really racing. Let's get you some stats. First, we'll start with Brett. He's weakened a little, now to 40 miles an hour, moving northeast at 9. He is expected to track off into the central Atlantic, and eventually, and very quickly, tomorrow will become just a tropical low, no longer an entity to worry about. There goes Cindy, and Cindy's racing 23 miles an hour with 50 mile an hour sustained winds. She may hold together just because she's going so fast. It'll take a little while for the storm to catch up and knock itself down, but it gets over cooler water in the North Atlantic with no problem. Weather and hurricane hotline's always there for you, 912-644-TV11. And we didn't even mention Dora, who's on the other side of the world in the Pacific. She's now a Category 4 hurricane headed away from Mexico. We did see some rain, not much at all, nothing that's going to break the haze, though there's lots of precipitation across the country and even some severe weather, a couple of tornadoes in North Dakota, and from those also some hail reports, especially Indiana and Ohio. We don't see any of that at all. 99 was our high today. The record high, 105. That's ties the hottest temperature we've ever had, almost 6 inches now below normal in precipitation. 84 degrees our current temperature, 78% relative humidity, very light wind, so no help there, and the pressure is currently steady. And temperatures have cooled as we've gone through the evening now, as they continue to cool down to the 80s, but just not cool enough, fast enough. We think we'll finally get down into the 70s, and we've still got a heat index, as we showed you earlier in the show. High pressure is now over us. It's going to slide into our area. As it does slide into our area, it will continue to build more and more heat. Heat that expands all the way out into the middle of the country. We showed you earlier, 33 states are under heat controls at this hour. Next tide will be high at 12:46, low tide 6:53 in the morning. So here's the Doppler Max 11 forecast. 75 for tonight, hazy, muggy, not much cooling. Tomorrow, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, 97, 20% chance of late day showers and thunderstorms. Look at that heat index up to 110. 97 on Friday, 95 on Saturday. Still the 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. But we come from the upper 90s to the mid 90s to lower 90s by the time we get to the end of the 7-day forecast. Overnight lows still in the 70s. And looking ahead to the weekend, big poker run coming up, of course, on Saturday. That could be lots of fun. Or the Buford Water Festival. Mike will be there with lots more information on that. That would be a great time. Temperatures in the 90s. Please be heat smart. Quick hello to Rotarians from Savannah West. Great having lunch with you today. Hope you're all hurricane prepared.
Very good, very good. Now, you want to talk about a hurricane? Check this out. Talk about trouble. No, this is not a new parking enforcement tool, but it sure is a mess.